Oh, hello, Ted.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good, good.
Everything is going well, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Are you new in this business?
No, it's a long time already. I'm
Okay,
going
okay,
this
okay,
business.
okay, okay, okay. I want to discuss with you. The problem is you given the permission to Sonju to give me instruction about the images, and then Sonju sent me some information and he sent some links to for inspiration to make the image. I followed the Sonju's informations.
Okay, now it's okay.
Now is okay. Thank you. So here is the problem. Sonju sent some information to me, and he said he like the www doll were listing A plus content. I followed Sonju's information and created four A plus image. He said start
Mhm.
with black first, so you can see I improved the quality. Then the www doll images, and then you come with some new ideas. You said to create different image with different info. We should progress in this in one by one image. You send me some images. I am really confused with that images because I sent a lot of images here. Instructions not clear to me. You know, I am a freelancer, busy freelancer, another works.
The problem I'm having is I don't have the ability to do the design. So I need somebody to basically take charge of doing the design. You're asking me to help you come up with some idea and how to do it, but that is not my expertise. So, when you first did the initial designs, and the images that I gave you as examples thereafter, those ones are very good. But it just seems like the one that you did is quite basic. So, you're asking me to tell you how to design or what to design, but I'm not good. That is not like I'm not good at that. So I need somebody to basically come up with the design themselves. You see what I'm saying? So it's quite difficult to kind of work like this.
Yes, I understand. But I'm afraid to come with own design because at first you rejected my some designs. So everyone have value of time. You send some information, but these are not clear to me. So if you select me an image, this is a first image, and you can make this image with this text and other your creativity.
Let me try. Let me see if I can try to come up with some design.
Can give you a template for gather the information. So that would be easy for you and me. So we can save time, more time for our business.
So if you look at the example that the green
Yes.
color one, the
Yes. So I
see,
want to
like
know
this
the
is like if you
this
go up a little bit, go to the green one, this one. Like
this
this one
one
is beautiful. This one is
this one is
perfect.
beautiful. So I should use
Yeah.
all features to place here with your product.
Yeah, I think so because those
Yeah,
are the
yes,
features, product
and
features.
product packaging color is blue. So all time we try to match the color of your branding. Okay, I will try,
These
and
are we,
yes,
we
yes,
we'll start
I
with this one first.
okay. I will create a template for gather informations and directions to me, so it would be easy for you and me. Okay, give me some time to create that.
Okay, yeah, because what you created before versus what you created for your other past clients is very, very different.
Yes, I know, but I told you I followed Sanju's informations.
So I'm only giving you some examples, but we need you to come up with your own content
Okay,
because, we're
sometime
not the designer, right? We're
uh,
good.
yes. Sometime we cannot imagine client minds what they have in their mind. So we followed client instructions to create that images because we cannot imagine first client minds. We cannot read client minds before their feedback. Okay.
Okay. So come
Okay,
up
okay,
with something, please,
okay,
and
okay,
we're waiting for
okay.
you now. Okay.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you for your help and your time with me. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.